All right, guys. So thank you for picking up the 100K per month strategy. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for trusting me, trusting my offer again, and then investing in this course again. So I just want to, implore you to do just one thing. Yes, make sure you, watch all the training video. Everything is necessary. It's very important, so you get the results, you get the desired result, and then you won't even need to be asking questions here and there. It's actually straightforward. It's very simple. There's nothing complicated inside. So all you need to do, watch the video, training videos, and then you take action. Yes, take action, implement. Is the same system I used, to bank 300K in my first month. I'm going to show you in the next module how I did that, and then okay, let me just walk you through the course modules. So here right now is where we are, the welcome, and then the next video, now the next session, I'm going to share with you exactly how the 100K per month system works, how the strategy actually works. I'm going to review to you in the next section, the next video. So in the module 2, I'm going to show you exactly my own case study, how I used it, and then bank 300K my first month, and even in fact in just 10 days I'm going to show you exactly all that. And then in module 3 you get to see an example of my student's case study that did 100K, 100K in his as well. And then I'm going to show you exactly how you too can implement this strategy and get started right away. And then in module 5, I'm going to show you show you how you can actually make more profits with your initial profit you actually make when you try out the system. So I'm going to give you ideas that you can actually 5 times your profit and make more and more returns on it. So for picking up this course, I'm going to show you exactly what I've said on the sales page. I'm going to show you my own case study, my student's case study, the action plan that you also can implement and get your own results, and then how in fact they can make 5 times more profit using this same method. So I want to thank you once again for picking up this. Thank you very much. This system is very powerful and it works, and I've reviewed everything for you. Everything you need to know, everything is reviewed without anything held back. So all you need to do is make sure you watch everything. It's not much. The videos are very short and they are straight to the point. Follow them, take action, and then there's no way you're not going to get results. You definitely get results, and once you get results, you can easily scale things up and make much more profits on this. So thank you very much again for picking up this 100K per month system. I wish you all the best. Welcome, and enjoy the contents and the information. So okay, that's all. So I'm going to see in the next video where I review the strategy and that I'm currently using to make 100K per month.